Hey everyone, welcome to This Dude Bakes. Hope you're having a great day. Today I got a nice chocolate and peanut butter combination for you, so let's get right to it.
In a small pot, boil about 2 inches of water and then create a double boiler by putting a bowl over the top after you take it off the heat and pour your 5 ounces of chocolate in. Be sure to turn your burner off and give it a little stir. Then take some parchment paper and line a 9 by 13 inch pan and spread some softened butter on the parchment paper. Come back every so often and stir your chocolate. And for the first stage of your mix, you could put your butter in and your brown sugar and cream it on medium to high speed for about 5 minutes. Be sure to come back and check your chocolate, stir it. After you cream your brown sugar and butter, stop the mixer and scrape it down. Then add your 3/4 cup of peanut butter. And turn your mixer on medium speed for about another 30 seconds. Once that's mixed, about 30 seconds, stop your mixer and scrape down your bowl, and then we'll get ready to add the eggs.
Hey you guys, I just wanted to pop in this video and let you know that I've got my first book written. It's called 242 Thoughts of a Baker, Volume 1. It's now published, and you can pick it up at Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description of this video. And it's just random thoughts that I had in the first bakery that I worked at. Some of them are about baking, some of them are not, and some of them tell you a little story about some events that happened. Some of them are pretty funny. So hope you check it out and let me know what you think. And let's get back to the video now.
Crack your 4 eggs into a small bowl and whip them up a little bit with a fork. And then while your mixer is running on medium speed, add your eggs in a little bit at a time, making sure they get incorporated a little bit before you add each amount. And then after that, you can add your vanilla in. Stop your mixer, scrape it down. Now you can take your flour, salt, and baking powder and mix them together in a bowl. You can do this with a whisk or a fork. And add it to your mixer all at once. Turn it on low speed and just mix it just until it's incorporated and you don't see streaks of flour anymore. Scrape it down. And now you can add your 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Just mix it until it gets incorporated. take it off the mixer and take about half of your peanut butter mixture and put it in your bowl with your chocolate and mix that together. Now take your peanut butter mixture and put it in your 9 by 13 inch pan. Spread it out evenly and then start adding your chocolate mixture in different parts of the pan till you see it like it is here. And then you can take the handle of a spoon or you can take a knife and start to blend it in. You don't want to overmix it. Now you put these into your oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 30 to 40 minutes or until it turns golden brown on top, and when you insert a toothpick it comes out clean. Next, take your pan and put it on a wire cooling rack. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can take your brownies out and cut them up the size that you desire. And you can see here the nice swirl marbleization. And that's it.
Alright everybody, thanks again for tuning in. If you liked the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I'm Chef Jay, the Productive Baker, signing off, and Lord willing, I'll see you again soon. Have a good one.